Hi guys, welcome back Rana Sam YouTube channel. So today we will discuss some another topic on my YouTube channel on my YouTube channel. And honestly, I have found this topic just to have my knowledge because yesterday when I was researching on the new on the new topic. I remember I got it the one point because this kind of topic you have to topic will come in the mind when we are starting something new in our life. So that's why I am creating this video honestly. And this video will be another greatest video on my YouTube channel. If you want to make your career in digital marketing sector, and you are little worry, not a little and quite worry, how the digital marketing going on right now. So in this video we will discuss on everything and in everything. And I will make sure that at the end of the video you have the proper understanding what I have done, what I have told you in this video. So so before the starting this video, I want to I would like to tell you I have another very good news to for everyone. And so we will discuss this kind of this news in this video. And another thing, if I talk about the today before the starting today question, honestly, this is my humble request. If you are newcomers on my YouTube channel, so please like and subscribe and share this video. And if you want to make your career in digital marketing sector, or you don't know how you can start your digital marketing career, and you are worried, you are quite confused which module best for you in the digital marketing sector. Honestly, that is my main motive to made the this YouTube channel. So please like and subscribe this channel. And watch my all every video, what I'm sharing with everyone. So let's start today question. If I talk about the today question, honestly, this will be one of the best. This would be one of the best question on my YouTube channel this month. One of the best. So honestly, if I talk about the today question, is digital marketing still demand in 2023? Yeah. If I talk about the another, if I can say another type, the digital marketing is still in demand in upcoming year. So we will talk about step by step in this video. And I have written around 9 points to discuss every point with you step by step. And please step by step. And at the end of the video I will tell you how you can get the get your first digital marketing job without getting and without investing any kind of money, without getting any kind of course. So so please watch till the end this video. So if I talk about the today question, so I have already told you this is so that is for our today question. So if I talk about we have to talk about the basic understanding, because this is a main conversation, this is a main topic on my YouTube channel. So if I talk about what is the digital marketing? So digital marketing kind of communication channel where we can engage our audience by the help of internet. So honestly, so I know that digital marketing right now booming up, because honestly. And if I talk about if I talk about the another thing, I will tell you why I will tell you why digital marketing moving up right now. And if I talk about the second question, or sorry, second point, uh, uh, yeah, another point. So why digital marketing booming up in upcoming year? Honestly, this it because if I talk about the if I talk about the every industry who want to invest in on digital media. So accept if I accept I non-internet depending company like manufacturing company. Yeah, if I talk about the I steel company, so we can left for those company. Otherwise we the every company this need right now digital marketing. So that's why every company want to invest in digital marketing sector. So if I talk about it, that's why the digital marketing moving up. So yeah, if you have done your graduation right now, or you don't have an idea how you can start your digital marketing career step by step. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. I will share everything how you can get your first job in digital marketing sector. So honestly this is and I will tell you why digital marketing moving in upcoming year. And so because around 5 billion audience available on the internet mode, honestly, honestly. So that's why if I talk about the door to door marketing, so we will discuss for sure. I will make the only one specific video on the door to door marketing. But so we I will not talk about no longer talk about the door to door marketing, but I have to discuss some basic understanding. So door to door marketing we know very well, has been closed right now. And if I talk about the tracking conversation in door to door marketing is extremely bad. You cannot calculate your audience. You cannot target proper your audience. If I talk about the if you are running your ad campaign on TV, so you cannot calculate how many audience have been watched your ads, how many female, how many male. So that kind of understanding that provide for us only for digital marketing. So that's why digital marketing moving up. And if I talk about the cost comparison between digital marketing and door to door marketing, the digital marketing is extremely affordable compared to door to door marketing. And so that's why the company shifting gradually on the on the digital marketing platform, digital media. So I will discuss top three or four digital media platform in this video. If I talk about, so that's why digital marketing booming up in upcoming year. So if you want to make the career in digital marketing sector, so this is the best time for you. You can come in digital marketing sector and you can start your digital marketing career right now. But you have to believe in yourself and patience. I have uploaded my last video on my YouTube channel, not last but on my YouTube channel. I remember, if you want to become a proper digital marketer, so what which skill you have to keep in your mind. So please watch my that video. And if you want to if you want to become a proper digital marketer, proper and good digital marketer. So if I talk about the third point, types of digital marketing. So around we have the 10 types of digital marketing. But in this video I will tell you only so digital platform the right now the that right now. That's why the digital marketing moving up. The first one is Google Ads. So you know very well, if you are connecting digital marketing sector, and if you are not connecting uh, if you are not connecting with digital marketing sector, so I will tell you what is a Google ad. A Google ad is a kind of platform where we can run our um, ads by the help of Google. And we have the Google have we have the Google actually charge some amount of pay. And whenever our audience click on our ads, so that is a Google ads. So if I talk about the why digital marketing moving up right now, so, that is this is one of the best, one of the finest reason right now. Because every company, if I talk about the SEO, organic social media, so those platform actually will take lots of time. honestly. But those platforms have the proper and a result is is extremely well. But the company do not have a lot, do not have lots of time, so that's why company wanted to invest in their money in all an online advertisement. And at the end, in online advertisement you have to start your you can start your ad overnight, and you can get the lead in overnight, but you have to optimize your ad properly. So this is the first part of digital marketing. So that this is the first reason why digital marketing moving up right now. If I talk about the second reason, or social media marketing. If I talk about that social media marketing, so we have two types of social media marketing. If I so if I will tell you, I tell you, the one first one, organic social media marketing, and second one is uh, paid social media marketing. So we have to keep we have to keep in inside organic social media marketing. We are not talking, we are not I not talk about, no longer talk about organic social media marketing. But if I talk about the social or so sorry paid social media marketing, so this is one of the greatest rivalry right now on the social media platform. You have to track every kind of, you can track every kind of audience on the social platform. So that's why the company want to invest in social platform, and that's why company running their campaign uh, rap, rapidly rapidly. So that is one of the greatest reason why digital marketing booming up in upcoming 2020. If I talk about the third digital marketing type, the programmatic advertisement is the third one. If you want to know, actually I don't have lots of idea about the programmatic advertisement, but I have lots of stuff about basic stuff about the programmatic advertisement. The programmatic advertisement is the biggest weapon right now in the digital era. If you want to become a proper digital marketer, so you have to learn about the programmatic advertisement. And I know if I talk about the learning stuff, we don't have learning stuff. But honestly you have to learn everything about the programmatic advertisement. But before the learning programmatic advertisement, you have to learn Google Ads and social media or paid media platform. If I talk about the talk about the fourth point, how to learn digital marketing free of cost. Honestly, I have uploaded on another. I have uploaded my last week. I have uploaded a video on my YouTube channel, so you can watch. You can watch my that video. In that video, I have told you everything how you can start your digital marketing career without investing any kind of money. And in this video I will tell you around three top three platform where you can learn digital marketing with free of cost. Not a digital marketing, if you want to come in and come any kind of sector in IT sector, so you can so you should watch that video. Honestly, if I talk about the future of digital marketing in India and outside India, so it's extremely bright, honestly. But most important thing, you have to believe in yourself. You have to learn new skill every day. You have to connect with your senior very well, and you have to optimize your mistake. You have to learn every day new skills. So that kind of understanding if you have in your mind, so you can be so your future, if you are connecting in digital with digital marketing sector, honestly honestly the your future extremely bright. And also digital marketing future extremely bright, because we are a digital marketer. If our future is bright, so digital marketing future also bright. So if I talk about the digital marketing is still in demand in upcoming year 2023, if you asking me, so I will tell you honestly yes, because Recently I have seen lots of and I have read lots of news about the digital marketing. So if I talk about that, so not this is not a digital era. The digital era will be started around 2026 or 2027. So if you are if are you getting my point? If this is a not a digital era, when digital era will be start 2026 2020 28, what will be happen? Around we have around 5 billion audience, 4 to 5 billion audience right now on the digital platform. And this is and I have read it one of the greatest news right recently. So this is in that news that one of the person said this is not a proper digital era. The digital era will be start 2020 after 2026. So if you want to come in digital marketing sector, so so this is the best time you can start right now. And I will suggest you should start honestly, honestly. If I talk about the how you can get your digital marketing job in 2020, it is a very easy. No, we don't have any rocket science. First of all, you have to learn basic understanding about the digital marketing. If you have the good budget, yeah, your family background extremely well, so you can get the admission in any kind of institute. It completely depend your budget and your location. And after that you can get the internship. Yeah, you can create your blog, your website, and when will you go to give your interview, so you can see your platform. Sir, I have made this website, this blog, and can you see, could you see this website? If you have the good proper if you have good idea and good understanding, so you can easily crack your interview. This is so we don't have I don't have any another rocket science. If I will tell you, you can do this kind of thing, and you can get very easily your first job in digital marketing. No way. You have to you have to give lots of interview at the early phase, and after that you can start your and after that you can get your first job in the you can get first easily your first job in digital marketing sector. So that's all in this video. If I talk about my new plan, so that it will be implemented in this month, definitely first week. And that's all in this video. If you have any issue regarding this video, so please put the issue in the comment box. And if you have any question and you want to make the video on your specific question, so please put the question in the comment box, and like and subscribe and share this video. Thank you. Bye bye. See you soon.